Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. So that will be boost up my energy to release more videos on share market trading and technical analysis, everything. Hope you can support. So normally I'm posting like post market report and pre-market analysis. If you are not watched, please watch my old videos. This is for stop loss hunting. So already I posted like stop loss, what is stop loss and all. So this is an important topic for stop loss hunting. So, so please note it down and follow this knowledge skills on your live market. That will be more useful because here in the trading, like if you are trading with Nifty, Bank Nifty or stocks anywhere. Okay, but this is importantly for options traders, for importantly for buyers. Okay, this stop loss hunting concept, not many people has been updated in YouTube's. Only few people's has been released. So I thought to release this and share with you guys. Okay, okay, fine. Coming to our topic, like what is stop loss hunting? Okay. So simple. Just see my screen and charts, candles, whatever it is going on your screen. Okay. Like this in this chart, if you can able to see like the first green candle, right? First green candle opening in the long position. So everyone thought to go for long, right? So after that, market immediately crashed and broken the first candle low, and the end of the up to end of the day, market will be on down. Okay, so this is called stop loss hunting. Okay, if someone like many people thought like market will go up. Okay, see market at the end of the day, up to end of the day, it has been crashed. Okay, so it has been breaken every stop losses, and we have to face the losses. Okay, because we normally keep the stop losses below the candle or below the level. Okay, so that's the thing. And normally I will explain the people's like wait for the view of market, whether it is go for up trend or downtrend. Okay, even though we can hit like our stop loss will be hit, but not every time. Okay, importantly on this kind of stop loss huntings, but not that's not a big mistake. Okay, if our stop loss is hunted, immediately come out with small loss. Okay, don't chase the market, don't overtrade. Okay, that will come to the result of big losses. Okay, until like it's like a capital washout also. So don't chase the market. Wait for your entry and exits. Okay, you can analyze the market. You can analyze the charts. Okay, like if the expert peoples in the share market, they get to know like this will be a stop loss hunting can happen on this particular period on this candle. So for beginners, okay, importantly, just come into the market for trading or to earn money, please watch basic videos, okay, and read the book and analyze the charts, okay. Without knowing anything, please don't trade anything because it will be wash out your capitals, okay. So see, I will show you some other candles also for explanation. What is stop loss hunting, okay. You can also analyze the charts, okay, how it is happening because big kind of institution traders will do this. Okay. See, like here, market show two red candles. Okay. But see, after that big green candle has been hitted, everyone stop loss and go up, right? This is called a stop loss hunting. On your single candle, it will be hitted every stop loss. Okay. We cannot able to avoid anyway. That is a different thing. Okay. But we have to manage our risk. That is only the possible. Okay. Without knowing any concepts, we cannot able to trade, right? That's what I'm explaining about the stop loss hunting. Once it is hunted here, just come out the market and shut down your system. Okay. Don't over trade or don't wait for the market to come again down or up. It will be totally wash out the capitals. Okay. And bringing the stress. Okay. So please make sure to manage your risk rewards, okay, based on your capitals. Always follow the stop loss, okay. Once market going on your trend, that is fine, but please follow the trailing stop loss that I am already telling on every video. Okay. So if market crashes or market like it's like a stop loss hunted by big players, you will get lost, but it will be very few. Okay, not like others. That's the thing. Okay, but we're not able to avoid until we get the think like big players. Okay, so always think like big players. The market running fast, the candles has been big moves. Please wait. Don't chase the market or don't enter the market. Okay, wait for the clear view. Okay, if it is still coming like it is in loss or the market trend is reversed means please come out the market. Okay, and wait for the clear trend. Okay, see this kind of green candles will hit our stop loss. It will become to huge loss also because our stop loss will be on the above red candle only. Okay, so always make sure it will be worth or the stop loss like the loss will be okay for you. Okay, because the stop loss will be differ from everyone, not for same for everyone, every people. Okay, based on your investments, based on your financial, please make the stop loss and wait for the entry and the exit. Okay, follow the price actions and learn new strategies. Okay, whatever suitable for you, learn it, practice it, then enter to the market. Okay. So I think this is enough for you guys. If any doubt, please come at me. Okay. So this stop loss hunting will happen at any time. So please make sure to follow the stop loss on your tradings. Okay. Don't trade without stop loss. That is my kind advice for you all guys. Okay. Hope this will be clear. So if you need any other topics, let me know. I will try to help you out. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If anything, please let me know. We'll see you on next video.